Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with the Republic Day quiz. So let's start. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? Answer January 26. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? Correct answer 1950. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Where is the Republic Day parade held every year? Answer: Kartavya Path, New Delhi. Who was the first president of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. How many colors are there in the Indian national flag? 3. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? Answer: 24. What is the national motto of India? Satyameva Jayate. Who is the head of the Indian Republic? The answer is the President. Which important awards are announced on Republic Day? Answer: Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards. Which body drafted the Indian Constitution? Answer: Constituent Assembly. How long did it take to complete the Indian Constitution? 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. What is the preamble of the Constitution called? The answer is the introduction of the Constitution. Which Indian leader gave the slogan Jai Hind? The answer is Subhas Chandra Bose. What is the national emblem of India? Answer is lion, capital of Ashoka. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Answer is Part 3. How many fundamental rights are there in India? The answer is 6. Which fort is associated with Republic Day celebrations? Answer is Red Fort. Who administers the oath to the President of India? The answer is Chief Justice of India. Which amendment is known as the mini constitution? The answer is 42 amendment. What is the national song of India? The answer is Vande Mataram. Which Indian state hosts the Republic Day parade? The answer is Delhi National Capital Territory. What is written below the national emblem of India? The answer is Satyameva Jayate. Who designed the Indian national flag? The answer is Pingali Venkaiah. Sorry for my pronunciation. If you like my video, please put like, share, subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.